Hey guys, it's Kilby Browne with the Property Apps New York City team. Hope that you are having a fantastic day. I hope that you can see the Freedom Tower in the background. So, our topic today for first-time home buyers is what kind of freedom are you looking for and what are your biggest concerns? Are you thinking about purchasing a home? Should it be in Manhattan? Should it be in New Jersey? Should it be in Brooklyn, Queens, Westchester? What are you looking for? Are you looking for more space? Are you looking to potentially work from home for the next couple of years, or at least have space to work out of your home for the foreseeable future? Do you want outdoor space? Are you looking for a patio? Are you looking for a little backyard? What are you looking for? But then the real crux of the issue is, what is your biggest issue? Is it financing? Are you afraid that you're not going to be able to get the loan? Are you afraid about your job? Are you concerned that you might not have a job in 3 to 6 months and you don't want to purchase a home and go through that process and end up losing your job? Do you think that some of your documentation might not be in order and you don't think that you're going to get the right interest rate? Are you worried about your credit? Are you worried about the process of going into other people's homes right now during COVID? Are you saying to yourself, I think I'll just rent for a while longer? I've heard people say to me, I'd rather work with a bank. Even if I have a problem, I'd rather close on a home and work with a bank and go into forbearance than have to deal with a landlord who can say, no, I'm not going to hold off on your rent for a month or two. I'm going to make you have to pay my full rent. And I see a lot of people in that position. And at least some people who own a home, own an apartment, own a condo, own a co-op, might have a little more flexibility. So don't think that you necessarily have less flexibility because you own. You actually might have more flexibility. So these are some things Marizesh and I would love to discuss, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. You might not know how the process works, how the whole co-op condo process works, or if you're looking to purchase a single-family home. I'd love to chat with you, sit down, see if there's any way that we can share our experience and help you. So reach out to us. Once again, this is Kilby Browne, the Property House New York City team. Please stay safe, be well. We're here to help you if you have any questions. We have a variety of YouTube videos that are up. Check them out, please. It's all free content. It's all out there for you to enjoy. So once again, today's Tuesday, June 30th. Beautiful day. Again, Freedom Tower in the background. Be free. Have your questions solved and plan your future. All the best. Bye-bye.